If you or anyone you know is taking Hepamers, this is the video for you. I'll tell you when you should take it and how you should take it, and I'll tell you what is a better substitute for Hepamers if you do not have something called hepatic encephalopathy. Assalamu alaikum, wonderful people. I'm Dr. Asfar Mahmood, and I have seen doctors prescribing Hepamers for any liver disease that they can find. Whether you get a fatty liver, or whether you get hepatitis, or whether you get a damaged liver due to any medications that you are taking, doctors usually give you Hepamers. And Hepamers is chemically something called LOLA, L-ornithine L-aspartate. And the function of L-ornithine L-aspartate is just to detoxify your liver from one toxin called ammonia. And this ammonia usually forms in the liver when you have something called hepatic encephalopathy. What is hepatic encephalopathy? Hepatic encephalopathy is a deranged state in which the patient cannot remember things. Their cognition is lost. In simple words, due to liver damage, your brain is not functioning well. Only in that situation, Hepamers is indicated. So basically, Hepamers or L-ornithine L-aspartate has only three functions. Number one, it detoxifies ammonia, not other toxins. Number two, it supports the liver just by detoxifying ammonia, not any other toxins. Number three, it gets rid of something called hepatic encephalopathy. That is, if you have brain symptoms, cognitive symptoms, only then Hepamers is indicated, not otherwise. So what should be taken instead of Hepamers if you have some liver disease? To my patients, if they have liver damage due to any cause, whether it is because of fatty liver or because of hepatitis or because of any medications that they have taken that has damaged their liver, I usually give them milk thistle. Milk thistle is present in our clinic as capsules as well as in the powder form. The powder form you can sprinkle on your salads or tea or coffee or any other way that you like to take. But if you don't like the taste of milk thistle, capsules are also available. The dose is 1 gram. So these are like 500 milligram capsules. You have to take 2 capsules per day. And I have made a full detailed video on how to take milk thistle, why to take it, when to take it. To view the complete detailed video and other such wonderful videos, do subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon right with it. So whenever we upload such wonderful videos, you get the notification immediately. Anyway, as far as milk thistle is concerned, it has a lot of wonderful benefits, especially for liver. Number one, it is an antioxidant. Milk thistle has something called silymarin in it. And this silymarin is the chief antioxidant which gets rid of not only the ammonia, it also gets rid of all the other toxins that are around the liver like free radicals or excessive sugars or any other chemicals that are around the liver. But take care, not all of milk thistle has silymarin in it. The silymarin content is more in the milk thistle seeds. The milk thistle seeds have more than 5% of silymarin content. But if you look at the other parts of milk thistle, like leaves or flowers or stems, they have only less than 1% of silymarin. So whenever you take a supplement of milk thistle, make sure it is from the seeds and not from the rest of the plant. In our clinic, for the powder form, we usually have crushed milk thistle seeds. And for the capsule form, we also get it from the milk thistle seeds only. And let me share with you this wonderful story of one of my patients who took milk thistle just for 10 days. And to begin with, her liver enzymes were deranged. And just after 10 days of taking this milk thistle seeds and some dietary modification, in just 10 days, her liver enzymes got better. So that is the antioxidant power of the milk thistle seeds because of silymarin in it. Secondly, milk thistle seeds have a great anti-inflammatory effect. And anything that affects liver basically causes inflammation in the liver. Whether it is a fatty liver or it is a cirrhotic liver or your liver is damaged because of any medicines that you are taking, it basically causes inflammation in the liver. And the milk thistle seeds are a wonderful anti-inflammatory seeds. And thirdly is a thing that Hepamers never does, that is regeneration. Milk thistle seeds, because of the silymarin, help in the regeneration of the liver cells. And this is something which no other medicine does. And this is something which is very crucial for a healthy liver. Because if your liver cells are damaged due to drug or disease or inflammation or whatever the cause is, if you can produce new liver cells, it is as if nothing was done to begin with, isn't it? And fourthly, milk thistle seeds are very good detox. They detoxify not only against ammonia but against a load of other toxins that damage the liver. And lastly, I have a wonderful news for you. Since the Independence Day is coming, all the visitors to our website will get a 14% discount if they apply the code Dr. Asma 14. So hurry up and order before we run out of stock. And let me know in the comment section below, have you used Hepamers before and for what condition did you use it? Or if you are using a milk thistle supplement, is it from the seeds or is it from the rest of the plant? Take care till we meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.